To show current temperature and weather info on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra lock screen, long tap on an empty area on your home screen, and then tap wallpaper and style. Tap the lock screen thumbnail. Here you can see a widget bar just below the clock. It may show add widget or already have widget. Tap the bar to show up the widget list. Scroll down the widget list. Tap weather and then tap current temp and weather widget to add it to the widget bar. Tap the button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see that the current temp and weather widget is now displayed under the clock, showing the current temperature and weather condition like sunny, cloudy, and else. With this widget, you can instantly know your local weather at a glance without needing to unlock your phone or open an app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.